Everyone has seen an AI assistant state a wrong number with total confidence. For our customers, accountants, auditors, and lawyers, a fabricated figure is a liability. Inkwise is built on a different contract. AI may only write from your reference documents, and it has to show you where every claim came from. The machinery behind that contract is called RAG, retrieval-augmented generation. And in this demo, I'll show you how Inkwise RAG works, how to audit it with the evidence inspector, and what happens when you ask about something your documents don't contain. My library has 3 documents everyone in finance knows: Apple's fiscal 2023 10K, Warren Buffett's 2023 shareholder letter, and the SEC's own investor bulletin on how to read a 10K. When a source is added, Inkwise ingests it. The document is split into segments, and each segment is indexed 2 ways: semantically, as vector embeddings that capture meaning, and lexically, for exact words and figures. AI can search for relevant information based on your queries, even for documents containing thousands of pages. Now I ask, what were Apple's total net sales in fiscal 2023, and how did they change from fiscal 2022? Here's what just happened behind that question. Inkwise turned it into a retrieval query, ran it against both indexes, the semantic one and the lexical one, fused the results, and re-ranked them so the best passages win. Those top passages become an evidence pack, and the model is instructed to answer using only that evidence, with a citation for every claim. So the number you're about to see isn't from the model's memory of Apple. It's read out of the 10K we uploaded. This is the evidence inspector. Click any citation and you get 3 layers of proof. First, the evidence excerpt, the exact passage that was retrieved, with the specific words supporting the sentence highlighted. Inkwise pins each citation to a verbatim quote from the source, so this isn't somewhere in this document, it's these words. Second, the locator, page such and such of the 10K. Third, the reference preview, the actual filing, open to the pages containing the passage, so you can verify with your own eyes in the primary document. Now I highlight this text and ask, how does that compare with what Buffett said about Berkshire's operating earnings for 2023? Notice I asked a follow-up without repeating myself. Inkwise uses both the highlighted text and my query together, so retrieval still finds the right passages, and it knows I want to compare Apple's performance with Berkshire's performance. Now I ask, what were Apple's total net sales in fiscal 2025? And what did management attribute the change to? Fiscal 2025 isn't in our selected documents. An ordinary chatbot would search outside of our chosen references and produce a plausible answer. But Inkwise's answer contract is, use only the evidence, and if the evidence is insufficient, say what's missing. So instead of a guess, I get told the library only covers fiscal 2023, and the fix is to either upload the newer 10K or deselect the reference so it can perform a public knowledge search instead. Notice that Inkwise saw my highlighted text about Apple's struggles with weakening foreign currencies and retrieved similar passages for Berkshire. That's Inkwise RAG, end to end. Your documents are segmented and indexed for both meaning and exact wording. Every question is answered from retrieved evidence only, re-ranked so the best passages win. The evidence inspector gives you the passage, the page, and the original document for every single claim. And when the evidence isn't there, Inkwise says so instead of improvising. Thanks for watching.